I'm going to show you how you can use Rakuten points on convenience store. First off, you want to go ahead and code your Rakuten Pay app like this, right? Now, since all of it is in Japanese, I'm going to rely on symbols to guide you. First off, you want to tap on the barcode symbols there, right? And then after you have the barcode symbol, you want to tap on the bottom kanji down there, the two pair of the kanji with an arrow next to it. You want to tap on that. After you tap on that, you will see there's gonna be a barcode that's gonna appear onto you, right? Now there's gonna be an app with a barcode right there. Now what you want to code to your barcode here, you want to show that to the store clerk like this, right? You want to show the store clerk your actual barcode and also the QR code like that so they can scan it. Now, once they scan the barcode or the QR code, you can see you'll be able to pay with a Rakuten point like this, right? You'll know when it's successful when there's gonna be a green check mark and also some green kanji letter writing like that, right? So that is how you use Rakuten points in convenience store. Be note that not on convenience store support Rakuten points, right? So only a certain amount of convenience stores support Rakuten points. But since Rakuten points is a big thing in Japan, most of convenience stores should be supported. Just be know that some convenience store will reject Rakuten points or just not be compatible at all.